1 2 3 Hey baby loves! Welcome! Andito na naman ako. Since maganda yung feedback ng ating previous basic Thai tutorial, meron na naman tayong Thai basic tutorial part 2. Bakit? Kasi merong nag-request, hindi naman masyadong madami, at least meron tayong natutulungan at nakaka-learn din sila at the same time. Okay? And again, disclaimer, I'm not that expert, but I'm just imparting what I've learned here. Oh, English! Anyways, and before anything else, I would just like to say thank you sa mga nanood ng previous basic Thai tutorial video natin. I'm really grateful. Thank you from the bottom of my hipothalamus. Ay, salamat ng bonggang-bongga. Okay? And sawadee ka! Sana okay po kayo dyan. And before anything else, if bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, of course, this video after watching. And pwede mo na din i-share sa mga friendship mo na willing mag-learn ng Thai. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay? So again, in this tutorial, we will be learning 1 to 15 numbers, okay? Which will be translated into Thai language. And at the same time, we will also be learning 5 basic Thai adjectives. Alright, simulan na natin. Number 1, of course, in English. In Thai, it's nung. Okay? 1 in Thai, nung. Nung. Alright? Next, number 2. In Thai, song, nung. Song. Okay, 1, 2. Okay? Song. Next, number 3. Sam. Number 3 is Sam. Nung, song, Sam. 1, 2, 3. Next is 4. Nung, song, Sam, si. Number 4 is si. 4. Si in Thai. Next, we're number 5. In Thai is ha. Ha. Nung, song, Sam, si, ha. 5. Okay? But again, guys, merong perfect na tonal ng mga numbers na yan. Next is 6. Hok. Hok. Nung, song, Sam, si, ha. Hok. 6. Next, number 7. Jet. Jet. Nung, song, Sam, si, ha, hok, jet. Next is 8. Pet. 8. Pet. Nung, song, Sam, si, ha, hok, jet, pet. Okay? Next is number 9. Cow. Better spell. Gao. Cow. Nung, song, Sam, si, ha, hok, jet, pet, cow. Cow. Next is we're number 10. Number 10 in Thai, sip. But it spells zip, sib. Pero when you read it, sip. Nung, song, Sam, si, ha, hok, jet, pet, cow. Sip. So 1 to 10. Okay, let's review. Again, 1, nung, song, 2, 3, Sam, 4, si, 5, ha, 6, hok, 7, jet, 8, pet, 9, cow, 10, sip. Next is 11. 11. Since ang 1 is nung, but we cannot say sip nung. No, they use et. 11, sip et. Okay? Then, dito na tayo sa number 2. 2 in Thai is song. Plus 10. 10 plus 2. Ganon. Sip song. Diba? Sip song. 12. Next is 13. 10 is sip. 3 is sam. Sip sam. 10 is sip. and 3 is Sam. Sip Sam. Joined it. Just join 2 words, okay? Next is 14. 14. Sip is 10. 4 is C. Sipsy. Sipsy. Next is the last number that we will be learning today is 15. Okay? 10 is sip and 5 is ha. Sip ha. Review tayo from 1 to 15. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, C, 5, ha, 6, hop, 7, jet, 8, pet, 9, cow, 10, sip, 11, sip et, 12, sip song, 13, sip sam, 14, sip si, 15, sip ha. Okay? So next is we will be learning the 5 basic adjectives. Okay? First word being requested by new D4 is handsome. Okay? Handsome in Thai, law. Parang low tone lang siya ha. But again, this is not the perfect tone. Hindi ko masyado siyang makuha, but that's the way they say it. Law, or you may spell it L-O, pwede na yon. But if you say parang high tone, law, hindi pwede yon. Jing law means it's really, as in, ganun yon. But low tone lang. Law, very handsome. Law, maka. Ay, he's very handsome. Ganun. Next is beautiful. Beautiful. In English, of course, beautiful. In Thai, suai. Suai means beautiful or pretty. But dapat hindi yung mas suai. Meron kasing ibang suai. Meron siyang iba't ibang meaning. Means pwedeng bad luck or nananggal. Ganun. Ata, yung manananggal or bad luck, ganon, bad luck, ganon. Beautiful, suai. Or you can spell it S-U-A-Y. Pwede na yun. If para easy siya basahin, but if again and again, if we will be using their language, it's gonna be difficult for us to read. Next word is not beautiful. My means no or not. Pwede na yun. My suay. Don't say it to them because they prefer to be always complimented. Parang, appreciate their beauty. Ganon. Palagi mo sila sasabihin, uy, ang gwapo mo, lomak, maka. Or, you're so beautiful. Kun suay, parang you are beautiful. Gan, kun suay, ang ganda mo. Ganon, sabihin mo parati sa kanila kasi magugustuhan kanila. They prefer to be complimented instead na parang, joke mo sila, pangit ka. Pero pag if you're good friends, then pwede mo nang silang joke. Next word is slim. Slim si ate girl. Slim in Thai is pom. Or pwede din pom means thick hair. Ang kapal ng hair. Thick hair. Pom. Pomma. Very thick. Or very slim. Pom. Ganon. Meron siyang two meanings. But again, there's like a bit difference sa pronunciation or sa tone. So, but please bear with me. Hindi pa ako masyadong sobrang expert sa yo-yo. Hindi pa ako masyadong sobrang expert sa tone kasi pinapag-aralan ko pa siya. Next is fat in Thai, uwan. Okay? So yun. First word is handsome, law, or very handsome, law, mak. Beautiful means suway. Very beautiful, suway, mak. Kun suway, you are so beautiful. Next is fat, uwan. Fat, uwan. And meron pa tayong fifth word, tall, sung mak, or very tall, ganon. Okay? So, yun lang ating tutorial for today in this video. I hope you learned something and pwede niyo siyang i-replay okay, para ma-retain siya sa utak natin. Ma-familiarize din. That's it. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoy and if you learned something from me today. And then, may mga request kayong another words na gusto niyo malaman. Baka naman alam natin, and why not peanut butter, di ba? And thank you so much, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God bless you, and keep safe.
Ginagawa mo.
Bloopers time! So first adjective is handsome. Okay? Blah, blah, blah. Away! Yung ganun ka.
Ginagawa mo.
Next is Alaywa!
Alright, alright, alright. Okay.